Hey friends, welcome to my new video, and in this video I'm gonna guide you how to install CapCut Pro for free on your PC or laptop. So this is the second video of my channel. So the installation process of CapCut Pro is simple and easy. First of all, go through the link on the description and this tab will open from that link, and simply click download. And after that, one CapCut file will download and just wait for it to download. So the tab can be a little bit of different because in this tab I can drag and drop any files from my PC, but in your tab you will be only able to download this file. So the file is downloading. Till that, if you're new, do subscribe, hit the like button, comment something and do subscribe. So now the CapCut file has been fully downloaded, and minimize the tab, go to control panel, and here you will see install a program. Go there, and after that you will see CapCut, or if you don't see, you can scroll down and search for it, and then right click it, and there will be option uninstall or change. Simply click the uninstall, and while uninstalling you should uncheck the option keep user data, and then close it and go to this PC. From downloads, download it. And I'm not installing it because I have pre-installed CapCut on my PC, and then when you get installed, simply click through the CapCut and go here, go on the setting tab and go to the version. The tab must be like this, so you should uncheck it. You have to uncheck these options and close it, and again close the CapCut. Don't think this is not CapCut Pro, because it have all the features, filters, animations that CapCut Pro have. Now simply go to this PC, simply go to your Windows C main drive, and then search for users. Go to user and then go to the view options here and click on show and click on hidden items. Then you will see a folder that's app data. Simply click through it, go to local and then search for CapCut. Here you will find CapCut. Go to the CapCut, user data and download. And here you will see this file only, because I have made the major changes, that is this one, the update file one. In your window there will not be this one file, the update file. So you have to make it, and I will tell you how to make it. Now go to view options, go to show, check this file name extension, click on it, and now make a new text document. Go to here, simply remove all this letter, type update.exe. I will write 2 here because I already have the same name, same file with the same name, and press enter. Now simply click yes, and so after creating this file, right click it, go to properties, and then click on read only, apply. Okay, there you go. Just simply close this window, go to CapCut, and sometimes there will be a notifications about CapCut auto update. Just ignore it. Go to start creating and create your project. Now you will be able to see all the transitions, all the filters, and all the features, all the audios are free. So that was the video about how to install CapCut Pro. So if you think I helped you, just hit the like button as always, and do subscribe, and we will meet in new video. Till then, bye bye.